It's a very complex garden that takes a lot of time and effort to look after, and the battery machines have been an absolute game changer for us. The gardens at Euridge are about 5 acres. Although Euridge has lots of architectural elements, formal topiary and lawns and hedges, we also have a really nice balance of wild areas, encouraging biodiversity and wildlife into the garden. My name is Andy Wain. I'm the head gardener at Euridge Manor. I've been here for about 13 years. The fact that Euridge has become a wedding and events venue as well as just a family home. So there's striking that balance between keeping the garden for the family but making it interesting for new visitors. When it comes to creating the topiary pieces, you want them to fit into the scale of the garden, keeping them nice and high so they actually become structural themselves. We're working around lots of weddings and events. The battery machines allow us to be working in one part of the garden where we're not going to be disturbing where there's a ceremony or preparations going on. At the end of the day, you feel less fatigued. There's no fumes, there's far less vibrations, so you don't feel as achy at the end of the day. From a health and safety point of view, it makes life a lot easier for us. When it comes to charging batteries, we will always have batteries on charge, whether that be in the multi-charger or in one of our fast chargers. And what I really like about the AP system is we can use those batteries across our entire range of machines, which is really useful. What makes Euridge special is the fact that the owner and the garden designers had a very close relationship, and that led from what was quite a simple project becoming a long 10-year project, and even today the garden is still changing, which is great.